Hey, it's Will from Hemans, and today we're standing in the veggie section. We're talking about a brand new vegetable introduction that we have for you that's been much anticipated and demanded in the past, and it's sweet potatoes. And this is similar to your sweet potatoes you might put in your containers and enjoy there, but unlike those, this one will produce those beautiful tubers down below that you can turn into sweet potato mash or fries or any other key ingredient in your recipes. So we're going to talk about how to grow them. So the sweet potatoes, they grow from the slip and they produce a plant just like this. What you want to do when you're planting them is plant them into a spot in your garden that's going to have 6+ hours of sun. It can be poor or well draining soil, but the better draining it is, the better the crop is going to be for your actual tubers down below. When you're planting them, you want to take some of that soil from either side of your row that you're going to be planting and mound them up. So you want to have a nice mound that's about 10 inches high, and this is going to give yourself more soil for the tubers to kind of form down below so you can get a heavier yield. Once you've planted them, you want to wait about 2 weeks, and then you're going to go in and you're going to be lifting this up and you're going to be putting mulch all around the base of this. This mulch is going to not only help you to preserve some of that moisture so that you don't have to water as much, but it's also going to help with preventing the plant from actually rooting, which is another thing you're going to want to do. Every few weeks you go in and make sure that you're pulling back the plant just a little bit so that it doesn't produce these roots down below here. You want to make sure that this one doesn't root out, because when it starts to root out, it's going to start focusing on growing new roots instead of focusing on the tuber down below that's going to produce those beautiful sweet potatoes for you. Come the fall, it's really simple. What you want to do is wait for the leaves to start yellowing out and really starting to die back. The longer you can wait in the season without getting a frost, the better. You're going to get some nice yields as well as some great flavor in there. So you want to wait as long as you can without getting a frost, and the leaves on the top will be nice and yellow. At that point, you dig out the plant, you get all your sweet potatoes, and you enjoy a delicious crop that's homegrown. This has been Will talking about the sweet potatoes that are now available at Hemans. We can't wait to see you in here to get yourself some sweet potatoes.